welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life. Today I'm going to share with you the best Mother's Day gift guide. Coming from a mom of two, a 6-year-old and a 2.5-year-old. I have given these to my mom before. I've given these to my grandma before. These are things that I personally love and know that many women in my life would love as well. So let's get into it. If you haven't already, subscribe to stay up to date with me and my channel. I do a lot of gift guides here, share a lot of Amazon favorites. All of these products today are from Amazon. I will link everything down below and my storefront so you can shop for more. Let's get into more of the spa type stuff. I have spa, I have beverages kind of stuff. I have Lilly Pulitzer stuff in here, home decor, things like that. So real quick, let's get into a couple of the spa items, since that's kind of what a lot of people go for Mother's Day, is like the relaxation vibe. So I have a couple things here. These are microfiber wristbands. Come in a huge kind of pack, different colors in them. These are amazing for, let me take this off, I'll talk about that in a minute. These are perfect for when you need to wash your face or do anything like that and you don't want the water to come dripping down your arms. These help protect it. Also helps if you wear an Apple Watch as well. It doesn't get wet when you kind of like splash water on your face and wash it. So I love these. These are so soft. Another thing for ladies with a lot of long hair, I love these microfiber towels that you twist tie. There's a little button on the top, so you kind of just put it on your head, flip it over, and then you twist your hair, and it's kind of like a top knot right there, and perfect for those hair wash days. Another thing you can do is, this is a microfiber towel scrunchie, so I use this sometimes as well when I don't want to use that, and I just kind of put my hair into a tight bun and wear it that way when I'm getting ready. This other item that I mentioned that I was going to talk about are my Lilly Pulitzer scrunchies. They have these with the cute little bows on them, as well as the ones that are just regular kind of scrunchies like that. On Amazon, I love Lilly, as you guys may know if you follow me here for a long time. So scrunchies are one of my best friends. Always have one on my wrist. Another thing are these makeup erasers. I have a ton of them, come in a bunch of different colors. Great way to wash your face at the end of the night, to help take makeup off. Really, all you have to do is put water on this and it will help take away a lot of your makeup on your face. I do use the eye makeup remover when I'm taking off my eye makeup because I do use a lot of waterproof makeup. I love the Neutrogena eye makeup remover. That is my holy grail favorite. The other thing, spa kind of related, are my slippers. I have given them to my mom, my grandma, my sister, everyone. They have a nice hard bottom to it so you can walk outside if needed and don't slip or get like the bottoms of your soles wet. Come in a bunch of different colors, really soft. Continuing on to like the beauty-esque, I love my Chi hair straightener. So if they're looking for a hair straightener, my Chi one is the one to get. For curling your hair, I love the Dry Bar curling ones, and they come with a couple of different attachments to it. I just kind of most of the time use this like 1-inch barrel to curl my hair, so love that. Also love these Stila glitter and glows and shimmer and glows. Eyeshadows is what's on my eyes now. Super quick and easy, it lasts all day. The colors that I use are Grace and Kitten most of the time. Another thing that many women love in my life are the Hourglass ambient lighting powders. I highly recommend you guys check these out if you haven't. I use dim light all over my face, and there's also 2 other ones in this trio that I use a lot. So one's for like a bronzer, one's for more of like a highlight shade. So this trio is amazing. I have used it up completely maybe once or twice. Another makeup item that I love are the L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Lipsticks. I have a couple of shades that I highly recommend. I have them in my purse, I have them in my car. They last throughout the whole day, aren't sticky to apply, and like your lips feel like lip glossy. So I will link those. Moving on, let's get into cups, because every mama loves their coffee, loves their water, loves their adult beverages at the end of the night. So I love Lilly, like I mentioned. So this Lilly Pulitzer coffee cup, one of my favorites that I use for my Keurig. I love to use this for coffee, hot chocolate, things like that. Will say for this, with all the gold, you do need to hand wash it. I have put a set of this in my dishwasher before and the gold comes off. So quick note on that. Then for waters and things like that, I love their Lilly Pulitzer water cups. These are hand wash as well. They're super big. They come with a big straw, which is with all my other straws right now. But I have a couple of different patterns of this. I will link that up above. And then I really like these Swig water cups as well. They're very similar to the Yeti. Even like my Yeti tops fit onto them. It probably had its own Swig top, but we like the Yeti cups and the Yeti Swigs. But why I love the Swig cups is because they have this rubber bottom, so it doesn't fall down or slide very easily on a table. And they have such cute little patterns and designs on them as well. I believe my friend gave me this for a birthday gift a while ago. Then moving on to beverages, I love these reusable Lilly Pulitzer cups. Use this for parties a lot, girls' nights a lot. Also have a bunch of their Lilly Pulitzer reusable wine glasses. These are plastic, great for being a mama, being around a lot of kids, won't shatter and break. And then these are, I think they're from Swig as well. I use these for my seltzers or my Truly alcohol drinks. You just kind of put the can in, twist the cap on top of it so it's secure, and then you can drink it without your hands getting cold. So love this for more of like those slim, slender cans. Continuing on to Lilly Pulitzer stuff, because you know that's where my heart is. I just got this for like lunchbox notes or things for school. So these are Lilly Pulitzer note cards, and they come with a whole bunch of them. So I have to write like a note for my son for school too whenever I need to pick him up from school for carpool. So I use and go through a lot of paper and just wanted to be a little bit more fancy. Umbrella, Lilly Pulitzer umbrella. They have a couple of different colors of this as well. I just love being a little bit more cute for when it's those rainy days. So love those. And their hats. I think we have adjusted this for Maddie, but Lilly Pulitzer little baseball caps are perfect and cute for being on those soccer fields, baseball fields, or just out and about around town. Have my little one right here in case you guys were wondering. So love those. It's very easy to adjust as well with this clip. Here, Money, I'll put it on you. So I'm gonna adjust it for my 2-year-old, and now she's good to go. A couple other things I wanted to mention. Lilly Pulitzer also has these colored pens, a set of 3, $15, super cute, perfect like gift with those note cards. AirPods are also a great gift if you want to splurge a little bit more. AirPods, as well as I love my Beats. I think they're called New Beats or something like that. They come around your ears so they don't fall out as easily as AirPods. So you can grab those as well. And with those, there's a Lilly Pulitzer case for it, of course. Love, love, love. Lilly is just such a girly mom. I love all the different prints and things like that. Another thing I want to mention is my Vera Bradley toiletry bag. It has a little hook that it hangs in 3 sections. Great for traveling. Maddie is playing with 2 of my favorite things for decoration. So this is such a really cute blue and white vase, and then I have these fake peony flowers in there that she's been messing with. But this is a great gift idea as well, especially if you have a black thumb like me and you want a little bit more floral color in your household. Another one that I have in my house right now is this really pretty white vase that has this nice like little design going on, and these pink flowers as well. I love to have these out around my house. Great gift too for mothers if you want the flowers to last a little bit longer than those flower bouquets you guys get from the grocery store. Lilly also has this wine cooler, super, super cute, and this picnic and beach cooler as well. You guys, I am so Lilly obsessed. If you have ever wondered what I would want, definitely some Lilly. Another thing, I forgot to grab mine, but they're the Owala water bottles. I know everyone's into like the Stanley cups, things like that, but the Owala is where it is at because there's a straw. You can sip it. Doesn't give you like the little wrinkles around your lips. Keeps it super cold, really easy to carry when you're carrying a bunch of other diaper bags, things like that. So Owala is where it's at. Also love Kate Spade jewelry, Kendra Scott jewelry. The Kendra Scott bracelets and necklaces are so cute. Kate Spade, pretty much anything from there. I really like their stud earrings. They have the diamond, the opal, and they have pearl earrings that are great. If you have a mama that loves to garden, Kate Spade has this really cute black and white polka dot set that has like the shovel and like the scoop and or a watering can. Super, super cute. Definitely have some mama friends that love gardening and growing things. The last thing I wanted to mention are clothing pieces. I have this mama like sweatshirt that I love to wear. It doesn't have like a pocket. It is a true like pullover sweatshirt, not a hoodie. You also can give them pajamas. I love this silk short sleeve set. I have a couple colors in it, as well as this long sleeve one as well. I also have a couple of mama tees that I love. This like pink and blue tie-dye mama tee is one that I wear a lot in the spring and summertime. I have even worked out in them, as well as this mama bear long sleeve shirt. Comes in a bunch of different colors as well. I have a red and a blue one in this. So soft, and I love the way it looks. The last thing I wanted to mention is this towel warmer. This is a great gift for your moms out there that want a nice warm towel. Very luxurious type of gift. So I actually gave this to my parents for Christmas. They seem to love it, so I wanted to recommend that as well. But that is everything for this Mother's Day gift guide. I have a whole bunch of other product ideas in that link down below for you guys who are interested in shopping for more. All of my favorite mommy gifts are down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.